Okay, here's the job at hand. We had dig safe come, mark it out. Gas line running right here, right up next to this thing. Gas line. Old driveway. This is for Jake. There's Mama. We're gonna take the skid steer here and dig it up. All the way up to the back of the house here. Right up to this line right there. Throw the pins in. We're going to work this top section down. This is going to be all concrete. Big difference, huh? Do a little hand work around this edge. Yeah. Gas line is right there too. Spooky. All the way down. It's literally right on the edge of this new driveway. Yeah, 4 loads with that truck. The apron looks real nice. Check this out. Jakey did a little stamp. The iron worker stamp. That looks cool. I like that.